Well, here we are. Welcome to the illegal garage. We're done with the rear quick jack, so we're gonna try to do the front from this video. The quick jack goes in these holes, but first we gotta try to make this rubber, this gasket, this grommet. We gotta try to make it fit in there, so we need to make these holes a little larger. It's gonna be a mess. We gotta try to put these grommets in there, and then when they're in there, the sleeve, the stainless steel sleeve, goes in there all the way to the back. And we just gotta cut it to size, and then we can start mocking the front billet quick jacks, which I want them to be close to the body as they can. They should be over here on the original cars, around this area, but I don't want them in there because they're not gonna be used for jacking the car. They're just for looks, so I want them closer to the body as I can put them in there, so it's gonna look pretty nice. Hopefully, we'll see. We're gonna mark where we need to elongate the holes a little bit. I don't want to go too far. I'd rather go slow. It's easier to. If you go too far, then it's gonna be hard to put the material back in. So I'm just gonna go mark it slowly and go slow. I'm gonna use the Dremel this time, and I'm gonna use the vacuum, so it's gonna be noisy here. I don't want to make a mess. We're gonna try to see if we need to cut some more or if that's good enough. I want them to fit tight. I don't want them all goosey. So I'm just gonna keep working it until I can get it on. Now this one looks like it needs to be more. Let's try the top one. This one looks pretty good. See? I just need to massage it a little bit, and then the stainless steel mounting is gonna go through there. A knot in the back or something. We're almost there. I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'm gonna get the other one done. Here it is. Both driver's side grommets are done. I'm just testing with the stainless steel sleeves all the way back. Now I gotta do the other side. Well, here we are, folks. This is roughly where I want them, close to the body. That whole thread is gonna be covered by the stainless steel sleeves over there. I just need to cut them to the right size. I need to mount them. I think the old thread is a little too long, but it's okay for now. The body still needs to come off for paint, so we're gonna keep it like that for now. And this is the driver's side. Now I need to cut the stainless steel sleeves and we should be done with the front ones. So here is the driver's side quick jack. I got the stainless steel sleeves. We're just gonna push them through the holes on the grommets. Hopefully they don't give me issues. And we're gonna push it through the frame, the holes in the frame. Now we got the two nuts, go from the back. I'm just gonna mock it up, see how it looks.
So we decided to go with an aftermarket leaf spring. Our factory leaf spring is much lighter than that of our aftermarket leaf spring. Both eyelets are different. This mounting bolt is fine in the original, but it will not fit at all in the aftermarket.
Modifying the ride height begins with Troy fabricating all of the mounting perches and the hardware to allow the aftermarket leaf springs to bolt up to the 1962 stock frame.
This is just a little spacer to keep the old thread center on the sleeve so it looks nice against the billet aluminum. So it just goes inside. Well, we're just gonna put it over here.
The upgraded suspension is a major box checked off Peter's wish list, but there's still time to do it. We still got the item.
Short one in bottom. Larger un toque. Forget the nuts. We're gonna put stainless steel washer and a stainless steel nut. Washer first, top and bottom, then the nut. I could put a lock nut, but I don't wanna because the body still need to come out for painting. So I'm just gonna put regular nut, and I'm gonna put a jam nut just to keep it in place for now. I'm gonna use a 11/16 to tighten these ones. There you go. Billet, quick jack, stainless steel sleeve, and the nuts. Here are the fronts, folks. It's a little bit dark outside, so lighting is probably not the best. But you see, Billet aluminum and the spacer and the sleeve, stainless steel sleeve, grommets through the body. The fronts are done and the rears are done. You see, they're pretty level with each other. Still need to do the aluminum inside, but it's getting closer. Once again, thank you for watching The Illegal Garage. See ya.